A certain smile, a certain face can lead an unsuspecting heart on a merry chase. A fleeting glance can say so many lovely things. Suddenly you know why my heart sings.
Happy birthday, Mami La. Mami, it's been a while din since last ako nakapunta dyan sa Laguna. And sayang hindi ako nakapunta din dyan sa Pangasinan. Yan talaga pagka may trabaho. I wish you good health. And I know kasama niyo si Mama ngayon at yung kapatid ko, si Gab. Hindi niyo pa siya nami-meet. Pero I hope na sana ma-enjoy mo ang kanyang company at sa company ng buong pamilyang nag-wish lang ng kasayahan sa iyo. Thank you for everything you've done for the family din. Sa pagpapalaki kay Mama, making her such a very good mother and taking care of our family din. I owe all gratitude to you and I hope na you will still be there to see me get married, have kids, and to make up for lost time. I wish you all the best from Iloilo, from Pasig to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Hi. Happy birthday, Uncle Bernard. Happy birthday, Uncle Edward. Happy birthday, Grandma Linda.
Hello, Lola. Happy birthday to you. I hope na lahat ng mga wishes mo sa buhay ay matupad sana lahat. And to Uncle Edward, all the best in life. And to my tatay as well. Pakatino ka na, tatay. And sana maging compliant ka pa sa mga medications mo. Yun lang yung may hiling ko para sa'yo. And sana lahat ng mga wishes mo sa buhay ay matupad din. For Lola, all the good health, all the best also in life. To everyone, happy birthday. This is my colleague, Mr. Darshana.
Hi.
Thank you.
Enjoy your day. Okay.
Hi, Mami. Hi, Kuya Edward, Kuya Bernard. Happy birthday po sa inyong tatlo. I just wish you more birthdays to come and more numbers to come. Wish you also long life, long and abundant life. Sana po nakita-kita pa rin po tayo. Yun lang po. Miss you all. Ingat po palagi and God bless. Bye!
Hello. Happy birthday, Bernard. Happy 60th birthday, Bernard. I hope for more success, good health, and God bless you always. We love you.
We love you.
See
Happy
you in 2
birthday,
years.
Uncle Bernard.
Hello, Bernard. God bless you, Kuya.
Kuya Bernard, happy
60 years old.
50 years old.
50 months old.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Auntie Linda. Happy birthday to you.
Silime ho. Ho, 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 ho. And this is for you.
Si Bernard naman.
Have a good wish.
Yeah. Ate Linda, happy birthday. I wish you all the best. Hope you will live longer at 100 years to go.
100 years. 100
Bless
years.
you.
God bless you.
Bless you.
Love you. Love you, Ate Linda.
Have very much food.
Yes,
1%.
Bernard.
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Edward. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Edward. Greetings from
birthday.
home.
Happy birthday, Kuya
Greetings
Edward.
from
Enjoy your
Ottawa.
days.
Alles Gute.
Hindi kami marunong mag...
Ja, alles Liebe zum Geburtstag.
Wala nang alam.
Tschüss.
3.
Happy
Happy birthday, Linda. Pasensya ka na. Ngayon, hindi ako makakapunta. Okay? Oh, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Linda. Long live pa more. Wish you good health always. Enjoy your birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Linda. Wish you good health, strong, and long live pa more. Enjoy your special day.
Sayang, wrong timing yung uwi namin dyan sa istansa. Hindi na namin naantay yung birthday nyo. Kulang ang oras.
Hindi bali, basta sana bumaba pa ang buhay nyo. Talaga, magkita-kita tayo minsan. Pasyal kayo dito sa bahay.
Basta na po lahat yan. Mga bayawski,
Bayaw,
mga hipagski, pamangkin, mga apo. Lahat-lahat na.
from Spirito family.
Happy birthday ulit!
Happy birthday ulit. Happy na birthday pa.
Ayos!